What is bootable flash drive? Bootable USB drives work similarly to the legacy floppy disk drive, FDD, boot. It provides an alternative way to repair, recover, or install an operating system. You'll need a legitimate bootable USB drive to connect to the PC to perform a USB boot. What is DiskPart utility? DiskPart. It's a command line utility used to manipulate disk partition in all versions of Windows and Windows Server beginning with Windows XP and Windows Server 2003. It is a manual utility that allows users to alter a disk, drive, partition, or volume. The DiskPart command interpreter helps users manage their computer's drives, disks, partitions, volumes, or visual hard disk. It can be applied to create, delete, format, and resize partitions.
Steps on how to use DiskPart to create a bootable Windows USB flash drive. Note, you will need a 4GB minimum USB flash drive and your Windows reinstallations DVD.
Insert your USB flash drive 4GB plus preferable into your system. Warning: all data on the USB flash drive will be lost. Make sure you save any data before proceeding. Navigate to the command prompt, select Start and type CMD in the search field. Right-click on CMD.exe and select Run as Administrator. Alternatively, navigate to Start, All Program, Accessories, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. A user account control (UAC) dialog window may appear. Click Yes to continue. When the command prompt opens, enter the following commands followed by Enter. DiskPart. This will start the utility. List disks. This will show the disk number of your USB flash drive. In the image below, the USB flash drive shows at disk 1. Select this one. Clean. This wipes the drive. Create partition primary. Create partition. Select partition 1. Select partition 1. Active. Marks the current partition as active. Format FS equal NTFS quick. This formats the partition. Assign. Assigns a driver letter. Exit. Insert your Windows DVD installer into the optical drive. From the command prompt, enter the following.
Dito ko din. Paano ikaw nagpantay?
Ano ba kayo?
Copy all files from the Windows CD to the USB flash drive using Xcopy. Replace X with the installer source letter and replace Y with the USB letter. This will copy the Windows installation files into the USB flash drive. It may take several minutes.